Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. S.M.S. Rajeshwari College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about Virtual Environment and Package Management, that is called as PIP. In Python development, managing project dependencies and maintaining the isolated environment are important practice. This helps to avoid conflicts between different projects and ensure the project run within the required various libraries. Two key concepts are used to this purpose are virtual environment and packages installed for the Python programming. In the design thinking stages, Python programming is the prototype. In this stage, students are created and implemented in the working solutions. As students are create virtual environment and activate the environment and then install the pip, create a requirements.txt files. What is virtual environment? Virtual environment is the isolated workspace in Python where you can install and manage packages separately for each project. It allows each project to have its own dependencies without affecting other projects or the global Python installation. For example, one project may require a specific version of the library, while another project may need different version. A virtual environment helps manage the such as situation efficiently. Key features of virtual environment: provide the project isolation, avoid the dependency conflicts, keep system Python clean, allow different packages version for the different projects. Pip is the default packages and manager for the Python. It is used to install, update and remove the external libraries or packages from the Python package index, that is pipe. Why pip developer can easily add powerful third-party modules to the projects. For example, Project A Dangio 3.2 and then Project B Dangio 4.0. Both can run without conflict with the using virtual environments. Next one, why we need a virtual environment. A virtual environment is need Python to create an isolated workspace for each project so that dependencies, that is library and packages, do not interface with each one another. When multiple Python projects are developed on the same system, they may require different version of the same library. If all the packages are installed globally, this can be lead to version conflicts, error, and solve this problem by the keeping each project is dependencies separate. Next one. Why do you use the virtual environment? A virtual environment is used to Python whenever you are working on the project that requires external library or dependencies. It is specifically important in the situation where the multiple projects are developed on the same system. First one is while working on the multiple project, if you are developing more than one project on the same computer, each project may need different library versions. A virtual environment is used to keep each project separate and avoid the conflicts. Second one, web development and projects. Framework like Dangio and Flash require many external packages. A virtual environment is used to manage these dependencies safely without affecting other projects or some Python programs. Third one, data science and machine learning. Project using libraries like NumPy, Panda, TensorFlow, or scikit-learn often require specific versions. Virtual environment help to maintain correct version for the each project. Fourth one, collaboration and team project. When working a team, virtual environment ensure all developers use the same dependencies. This avoid works on the many system issues. Fifth one is testing and experimentation. Virtual environment are useful for when testing new packages or experimenting with the code. If someone goes to wrong, it does not affect the global Python setup. Sixth one is production deployment. Before deploying an application, virtual environment ensure that our required and tested packages are included, making the application stable and lightweighted. Next one, creating a virtual environment. A virtual environment in Python is created to provide isolated space for the project where all the required packages and dependencies can be installed separately from the global Python installation. This helps maintain different version of the library for the different project without conflicts. Steps to create virtual environment. First one is check Python installation. Second one, create a virtual environment. Third one, active the virtual environment. Fourth one, install the packages inside the virtual environment. Next one, what is pip? Pip stands for pip installation packages and it is default packages manager for the Python. It is used to install, update and remove the external library packages that are not included in the standard library function. Python has the large collection of the reusable packages available in the Python packages index pip. Pip helps to developer easily download and manage these packages in their projects. Installing the package, specifying the package version and then installing the multiple packages, installing packages from the required file and then upgrading the packages. If you don't want uninstalling the packages, check installing packages. Next one, common pip errors and fixes. While working with the Python packages, manager pip users may some system face errors during the installation, upgrading or usage of packages. These errors are usually caused by the version issues, networking problem or environment misconfiguration. Below the some common pip errors and their fix. Advantages of the virtual environment. Virtual environments in Python programming isolated workspace that allow the developer manage the specific dependencies separated from the global Python installation. It provides several important advantages that improve the development efficiency and reliability. Thank you.